Children's Day came with an extra level of excitement this year as Techpression TV extended the celebration into June with the electrifying GameFest hosted at Ojota Junior Secondary School in Lagos. The school hall buzzed with energy as students immersed themselves in exciting games, brain-teasing trivia and inspiring conversations. But beyond the fun and fanfare, this was a powerful introduction to an industry that's fast becoming one of the world's most dynamic, esports and gaming.
Greatest Nigerian students! If I say greatest Baba, you say go. Greatest Baba! Go! Greatest go! Greatest Nigerian students! Clap for yourself, clap for yourself, clap for yourself, clap for yourself.
Leading the charge was Adebayo Adebanjo, renowned esports competition host and CEO Spectre Play, who kicked off today with a passionate breakdown of the benefits of building a career in gaming.
If you're a professional in any sports, you make money by playing. A club can sign you. Companies can come to you and say, we want you to do adverts. You can design your own gaming products. So that's the first part. When you are a professional sports player, you can become a star, right? You can become a professional football star, just like football. So that's the first thing. The benefits of that is, look, at the end of the day, we all want a career, right? You want to become a doctor for a reason. Why? Because you like medicine, or you like to take care of people, or you care about people. It's the same way. If you like gaming, you can decide, I want to be a professional gamer. Okay, so the benefits you get is the same with any other career.
The panel session was a major highlight, featuring a lineup of true industry shapers. Adebayo returned to the stage, reflecting on how Africa's esports scene has grown over time.
What I would say has changed in the 5 years that I have seen is more ladies and gentlemen like you have started believing that you can actually take esports as a career. There are ladies and gentlemen like you that have now started putting themselves in teams and creating their own teams because they know that they can compete. We're also seeing other brands. So brands like Chivita, Oleander now understand gaming and are partnering with us. Okay? So they're saying, oh, we like what you are doing and we want to be a part of it.
Free Fire professional gamer Layo didn't hold back on value, breaking down the practical skills students need to succeed in the space.
Try to learn as much languages as you can. Do you know why? Languages will connect you to people that you meet in those games you are playing. And because you can communicate with those people you are meeting in those games you are playing, you will have opportunities that will not be accessible to other people. The second skill I would advise you to have is patience. Patience is a skill that takes time for you to learn. And the last thing that you need to have is grit. Grit. Perseverance. Let me use that simple word. You need to be able to persevere because, first of all, your family might be against you very much. You might have issues with your family. They're saying you are playing game for money tonight. Or the only thing they're saying is talk about game. Game is to be able to persevere. You need to be able to have patience for you to get to the level that you want to get to, no matter what it is you want to do.
Then came Priest, a professional gamer who brought the fire, speaking directly to the students' hearts. He encouraged them to cultivate a mindset geared toward winning.
So that need, that hunger to win is the first thing that is going to separate you from everybody else. You have to get within yourself is, do you want to win? If we bring the tournament to you, will you win? And if you go to the next one, will you put that same energy and that same effort to win? Because it is always going to be the winner that they are going to look for. When you win the first one, you want to win the next one. But between the first one and the second one, what happens? You train, you try to get better so that the next one you play, the person that you play against will not be able to beat you. That is where it starts from. But originally, it begins here in the classroom.
As the students cheered, laughed and racked up points, one thing was clear. This was more than just a day of games. It was a day of impact. An impact recognized by the Director in Education District 2, Maryland, Lagos, Perpetua Okporocha, who appreciated the initiative and emphasized the importance of students staying actively involved and engaged.
How can you make money in sports? by active participation. Identify where you can be useful. Identify the areas you not just making money. The contact, the people you meet people from the different ministries and departments and agencies. You meet them. You might need something. You say, this lady played with me. Let me call her. I need this. So it's not just the money alone you are making, but the contacts you are building.
The event rounded off with thrilling challenges, scholarship opportunities and prize giveaways, generously sponsored by In-Depth Computers and other partners who believe in the power of digital access for all. Techpression TV didn't just host an event, they handed these students a real shot at building something extraordinary. For Techpression TV, Gabriella Michael.